Since the mists of time, evolution has been strictly connected with motion. Human societies have relied heavily for survival on the making and using of tools, which are the bases of class innovations and development. In a world where everything is in continuous motion, progress has no limit and is inspired by the need to improve welfare, communication and production, a constantly growing number of countries have had the opportunity to develop, increasing their well-being. Since progress is strictly coupled with action, this logically implies that a loss in productivity due to lagging behind generates a loss of opportunity which has an implicit cost, frequently awfully high. This is why the concept of opportunity cost plays a crucial role in ensuring that scarce resources are used efficiently. This is just one of the many cases where the use of a rolling bearing, a device that permits constrained relative motion between two parts by reducing the friction between them and therefore the wear and tear of the main equipment, is essential. And that's why the bearing is considered the pivotal element between the static and dynamic universe. From the heart of Europe, the beating spirit, core and essence of RKB Bearing Industries springs from the culture, background and vision of Switzerland, which itself revolves around accuracy, correctness and care. RKB applies a cutting-edge pioneer business model and new advanced concepts to the development, design, engineering, production and distribution of rolling bearings, gaining recognition as the Swiss mark amongst the top world-class bearing manufacturers. Engineering is the discipline and profession of applying technical and scientific knowledge and utilizing natural laws and physical resources in order to design and implement materials, structures, devices and processes that realize a desired objective and meet specified criteria. RKB's multi-sector expertise gives it a wide-open vision of the industry, which provides a continuous source of innovation for its R&D department. RKB Manufacturing Technology extends from miniature and small-size bearings up to bearings of 1,800 millimeters in diameter with a unit mass of over 4,000 kilos. RKB's production range comprises the complete range of standard ball and roller bearings, including technological bearings and application-optimized bearings, engineered and tailor-made according to the customer's specifications. RKB is willing to share this wide variety of experience and know-how with its customers in its constant search for new industrial solutions that combine technology, reliability, and profitability. It is of paramount importance to RKB to provide its customers with products of the highest possible reliability in the long run. This implies the use of top-class selected materials along with the most advanced technology and quality controls at each step of the supply chain, so as to allow the final product to proudly carry the RKB mark. Focusing on 3 specific areas of industrial bearings, RKB segments its own production into miniature and small-size high-precision bearings, general anti-friction bearings, standard mix series, bearings and assemblies for heavy engineering applications, including technological bearings and application-optimized bearings. This concentration and specialization of resources allow RKB to respond to market requirements efficiently and effectively, permeating each production segment and manufacturing step with its pursuit of excellence. Specifically, the foundation of RKB's quality philosophy is based on 3 principles. Company-wide quality control. In other words, based on a corporate standard, only the continuous sum of many small improvements can make a significant difference to the final result. Total quality system, which implies that quality is required in all critical processes of the value chain to guarantee a planned result. Or, in other words, the importance of controlling every single detail in every development phase of the company. Both of these concepts orbit around the third crucial element of RKB, which infuses body and soul to them, making achievable to RKB's clientele their real added value. That is quick response manufacturing, formed by flexibility, prompt service at both pre- and post-sales level, and short time to market. RKB's goal is to improve the economic, technical and environmental performance of its clients' equipment. This is why it is recognized for its ability to manage projects as a whole within given deadlines and in compliance with the performance expectations of its customers. RKB knows that the real cost of output foregone or any other benefit that provides utility should always be considered. No interruption in production is a primary need in every industry, which can only be fulfilled by RKB reliable products, special warehousing management, and comprehensive post-sales service. This is why, despite the fact that it already features one of the biggest fully stocked warehouses in Europe, RKB constantly invests to increase its stock, both in terms of range and quantity, to satisfy its evolving clients' needs. The equation, a fully stocked massive warehouse equals no production setbacks, implies fast relief for companies experiencing a shutdown. The quality that RKB guarantees in every product supplied, together with its service commitment, is appreciated by all its customers, along with its constant dedication to improve the high-quality standards that have distinguished RKB over the last decades. Thanks to all this, RKB is the Swiss bearing supplier to the most demanding markets worldwide, present in more than 54 countries in various fields of the industry. A success with no territorial or sector-based boundaries, key elements of its recognized position as a world-class bearing manufacturer. RKB, the real alternative to the big marks.